What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the show. Today we are headed off to High Plains Raceway. It's gonna be my first time ever going out on the track, but first we gotta get the car set up, so let's go do that. And here we are at High Plains Raceway. This is my first time out here at this track, so it's gonna be very interesting. I'm not looking to set any lap records. My goal is probably a 225 maybe. A good lap around here is in the 150, so if I can be 30 seconds off pace in my car, I'll be good. There are some F1000 cars out there though, so those are gonna be interesting to pay attention to, but otherwise, yeah, let's get on track.
Man's warming his tires in the pits. Nice, I like that sign. Let's get some heat in the brakes. Turned too early. Let's break it too. Oh, right, fuck this bobsled. That one screws me up. Gas won't change. Oh, that one's tight. Still turned in too early. Actually, we're stuck behind.
good turn in. A little bit early, but voiceover Aiden here. A couple of interesting things happen really quickly here. First off, my car gives me the overheating warning coming down the hill, and then going into third on the straight, it gives me 7 pounds of boost instead of the normal 18 to 19. Alright, my car is trying to put itself into limp mode. That's not good. So coming up the hill towards 13 here, I throw my hand out to signal that I'm coming in this lap, and I see the E30 ahead doing the same thing. Obviously, if he's coming in, there's no need for me to pass him, so I just chill behind him.
Ooh, hell, you're going way slower. Oh,
Turns out he's having major issues and can't even make it down the hill and into the pits, so he pulls off the track right in front of me.
Okay, I only got one flying lap in. Interesting that my car overheated that fast. It's already back down, so I guess what I'm gonna have to do is, since it overheated that quickly, not do flying lap, and also not take it to red line and stuff. Like, do a couple slow laps and then some fast. I smell brakes. I see smoke. Amazing. Not as much smoke.
Alright, so I had to bring it in after only one flying lap because it gave me an overheating warning and started to go into limp mode and was like really cutting power. So I've removed, that sounds really cool. I've removed the engine cover, so that should help a little bit. And what I've determined is, instead of like pushing it at 10 tenths every lap, I'm gonna do like 3 or 4 slow laps and then 1 really fast lap, and that should help both my brakes, which were overheating a little bit, and my engine, which was really overheating.
All right, let's go. All right, goal, don't overheat. How? Don't floor it around every corner. I was definitely going on the gas way too early. Thank you. Brakes went straight to the floor there for a second. my deck. That was definitely a bit of a set. Ooh, hello. I braked way too early. Wow, I was way too early. Right there. But I don't have balls. I don't know if you can see it, but my brakes are smoking.